So friends, continue these in settings in print management part 9 here. So watch my previous video print management part 8. So now in this my video last this my print management part 9. In this video completely recover these print management options here. So lot of people not understand print management, how using and how configure here, and lot of people printer and printing systems hacked by these hacker, and sometime your document very misusing here. So watch my previous video, all of my video part wise here, because sometimes long duration part wise video not perfectly working in your sometimes boring type here. So I'm creating different type of part wise print management. So watch my previous video, either you cannot understand how setting I'm starting, how starting my video. So this is a Windows inside print management. Last my previous Windows print management part 8. How many type of give permission, allow, deny, access. So now in this print management part 9, continue that time setting cells. So let's start here. And all of driver working with operating systems and device. So this is a WinPrint. WinPrint means this is a automatically you advance your latest printer automatically install here. So printer always working with some systems, some your computer, some your additional systems with you know your control your version with. So version is one of identity of your PC and your driver systems here. So this is a Microsoft company added, and this is Microsoft company added, and this is a 2 HP and Dell. This I'm download and after install this systems here. So some driver you install manually, and some driver automatically you install by you connect as a printer here. So watch my previous video printer playlist, and how can we add printer here. So you can see win that means your print processor. Okay, I'm already talk about print processor and previous video in there, so watch my video previous. Okay, so this is all of packet tree means your all of these printer document working in these systems here. Okay, so printer driver working here in this is a printer driver date here. So printer driver I'm installed 21 June 06, not but printer driver make this software 2009. Okay, so this is 2009 make this printer driver, and this my path of store my data of printer. So I'm just showing here Windows partition C, all of main computer driver operating system data install in partition C main systems here. So you can see your this my path here. So going Windows System 32 driver store and file repository, and these are my all of printer. You can see my path, so follow this path and you can see all of printer driver programming files. So this is a very important for your System 32 and drive store, and in file repository in prnspc. This is my printer folder here, and store this file here. So I'm going first these locations here, and I'm just showing you so how are these files showing here. Windows and after System 32, so I'm just find System 32 folder here, and drive store. So drive store is driver store here. So all of driver and some file driver store drive store, and file repository. So file repository here, okay, see here, and prnhp, you can see prnhp. So first I am just showing here prnhp. So okay, this is a folder in this of printer, this install access and this driver here. So prnhpc1.inf, okay, and AMD 64 base, that means 64-bit work here. So these drivers store in this folder here, okay, and access this all of path by these systems here. And prnc1, c2, you can see prn3. So we are using prn1 only, I'm just showing one, and no, prnc2, okay, and this prncl2, this is file, okay, this is a file here, setup main permission setup file here. You can see this is the driver file here, okay. So driver file here, you can see prn and setup information tab here, okay. So all of setup are working by this prnclfa file here, and this is some file hidden by your computer. So going properties, and you can see here, and the properties with notepad, this inf file here, you can see that means your all of setup information data stored by this language here. So you are you understand programming language, so you maybe create a driver file here. So it is a security catalog, means your security of your driver and how these are working and effect and control you any system through. So last videos I already security wise and security system here. So these effect automatically this driver here, okay. So this all of path here, this path address path means your address of your data locations here. So you can see, and all of data not directly you directly open. First you want you can package here. So remove driver package means you want not like so you can remove from here, and set driver. So you can see, and you can click on properties, so you can see data file here, okay. So different data file in showing here. So Microsoft Systems is Windows System 32 and driver stored file repository in prnmsa and 002 INF system here, okay. So all of our data and data inside working by programming file here. So without programming data not working any C systems and not working any device. So first you want you install new device, anything, your graphics card, your mic, your speaker, anything you using. So first you need a driver, and you can driver download two type here. You have a driver device, driver devices any DVD, and the second you can download from internet through, okay. So you download internet. So first check model number and version of your devices, okay. So you can download easily. So first you can see all of this is all of my data of my driver files here, and sometime file not working, so false showing here. And you can see, just click on here, this my start menu here. So first I'm just talking about only these. Why I'm talking about driver is important for your device, printer, anything your device, just so fonts mean, what is a font is, I'm just showing already on last video, A4 A5. What is the A4 A5 A3? This is the form name is a one type of decide already width and height of your page here. So page defined already in software, you can see this is a unit only, and micrometer, okay. You can see here 3500 in, you can see micrometer units, okay. So width and height already defined in this you know your computer. So A4 I will find you can see letter type. So using you these 2159 you can see. So form name first find here, and you can select, you can check here how many size tab here. So built in this is a printer add here. Okay, so built-in some by default size by your operating system, and some your and your printer here. Okay, so this height here in mm, and this width here, and you can see all of your data right by these pixel to size here. Without your size you can not start here. And image grabber you can see here. So image grabber is showing here, and this second image grabber means you write your letter on your page of your your print management printer. So first they are check printer and printer driver, printer communication, printer document, and printer size here. So printer document size and printing document size, different type working here, and with different area size. So why give a different sizes? Because you can big label, big broad broadcast broadcast your different store your you using newspaper, in newspaper different size here, your letter different size here. So all of mentioned in these form systems here you can see. So letter type and different type different always defined by your printer, and your always checking this height and width here. So that is very important for you maybe not understand later inside how many letter width and height. So you can check here and you can select and you can find out here. Okay, so this is I'm just checking to 159 m micrometer units. You can see unit 01 units here. So by default famous A4 A5 letter type and other. So you are enter you printer and size, big label type, and big posters and in your company. So first you will check here form name here. So how many size here form, and how many print here. So you can see, and this is a port, and you can see I'm already talk about last previous video. So watch my previous video important for you, because you cannot directly access understand. So this port name, and I'm already last video in this and port, and port run these com1 com3 by default and my operating systems. Okay, and you can see my local port. Okay, com4 file port lpt1 lpt2. So you can add the port by manually. So how can we add by manually? I'm already created a port type, you can see right here. Okay, and printer name. So printer name means your print of type. Okay, so printers three type available in printer my computer. Okay, and online here, and you can see deploy printers. You can deploy your printer means you can your printer, you manage your systems and your system with your other printer. But I have no unique graphic group policy. You need GPU, user GPU, systems GPU. So this is a need first. I want Windows printer server. Without printer server you cannot deploy printers. So this is a very important for deploy printers. How can we using? So first you want add printer, and you maybe you have no anything printer server, but you are add printer as you enter in your communication in network. So you can see here printer name and server name. Okay, so first you want you must enter printer server. Okay, so how can we add server? I will discuss in printer series server. Next video I will discuss in system information, because printer all of video and all of topic finish here. And printer server I will show in printer series here. But system information, what is the system information, I will discuss in next video. Why using system information, and what is this system information, why useful in printers system information. Okay, so system information very important. So thanks for watching my video.